Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to kick people out of a Discord group chat. So let's get right into it. First of all, make sure your account on Discord must be logged in, and then you have to go on direct messages. Just look at the top left of the screen. Here you will see direct messages, and in this bar you will see your group chats. Just simply you have to select your group chat and all your group chat members will be shown over here. Just simply you have to select the friend you want to remove. You have to click right over the icon and you will see remove option. For now I don't have any of group chat or friend added in my account because my account is new. So these are the simple steps you can follow and you can easily remove people from your group chats. So that's it guys. How to kick people out of a Discord group chat. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.